Good morning, or good afternoon. I never know when you're going to watch this. So welcome to our first writing lesson. So during the school year, our plan was to start journalism last week when school got canceled. So we are going to keep doing journalism because I think this is a great opportunity for us to practice being journalists. So journalists write articles. So like you think about like the Hayes Daily News. A journalist is someone who writes an article or just like some information about something happening in the world. So sometimes they write about events like the coronavirus or a concert that's going to be happening or a brand new business that's going to be opening. And sometimes they write about things like people. So like they might do a whole article about Martin Luther King or about the new president or about a singer on the news. So we are going to be writing about issues dealing with the virus since we have been impacted greatly by that. So what's going to happen is I will show you on these videos an example of what you are going to do, and I'm going to use, for my topic, I'm going to be using how the school district has been providing meals for students every day of the school week, and then you are going to be doing how the schools got closed because of the virus. So I'll show you first, and then on your own you'll respond with the same thing we just did on this video, but with your topic. So the first thing to know about writing an article is what this little piece of paper has on it. Can I change? Well, we call them the 5 W's. So over here you see the who. It tells who the article is about. The what explains what event is being covered. The when tells when the event happened. And then the where tells where the event happened, and the why explains why the event happened. So I'm going to switch over to my Microsoft Word so I can type this. So the first thing is who. So who is affected by these? So my topic is the school lunches. Who is affected by them? Or who is doing them? So I'm going to say that, well, for one, the school district is providing them. I think so. If I'm going to look this up later, but I think the school district is providing them. If they're not, I will change this. So I'm going to just type on here, the Hayes School District is providing. Hayes School District, and they're providing lunches for kids in Hayes, right? So I have 2 who's actually on mine. So when you do yours, you're going to be doing school closing due to the coronavirus, right? We call it COVID-19. Or you can write coronavirus, whichever one you want to do. So your who is this affecting? Like teachers, students, parents. So you can put whatever you want on that spot that deals with who is it affecting. Okay? So the what. So what is going on? What is happening? So I'm going to tell them they don't know what's happening in the world. Well, we're going to pretend they don't know. So the what would be there are free school lunches. Okay? The when is it happening? So I know that in Hayes it's happening every day from 11:30 to 12:30. That's when you can pick up every weekday, right? So not the weekends, every weekday from 11:30 to 12:30. And then the where is there are 3 locations in Hayes. So we have at Lincoln, right? At Lincoln, Hayes High, and Hayes Middle School. So there are 3 locations. And then why are they providing lunches? That's pretty easy. School was closed due to the coronavirus. Oops. So that's going to be, this part does not have to be complete sentences. You're just going to type in what is going on. So when you start doing yours, you might need to do some research. So you might need to go to the internet and type in Kansas schools closed for virus. And you can look up some of the stuff about it if you need to. Your parents might know some stuff about it. I will try to post a couple of links that you can click on that would tell you more about it. Okay, so remember, when you do yours, you're going to type in who. So who is being affected? You, the students, the teachers, the parents, whoever you think would be affected by this, you're going to type right there. The what? School's closed because of the virus, right? You can just put schools closed. When did the schools close? And then how long will they stay closed? If you're not sure, you can ask me those questions or you can research it. You can type in how long will schools be closed? And put that into your search bar on the internet. Schools, and probably in Kansas, right? We're just going to talk about Kansas. Here we go. So you can just type that into your search bar on the internet. Where are we at? You can type in Hayes, Kansas, and then the why. Why are they closed? Because of the virus, right? So you'll type that there. Okay, so this is our lesson for today. It shouldn't take you too long to fill it out. I will put this whole section on Seesaw, so you can just push respond, I think. Respond to the activity, and you can put that in there. Oh wait, hold on. This is for tomorrow, right? This is for the 6th, 7th. My bad. I'm making this on April 6th, but it's for April 7th. Writing lesson number 1. Okay, so if you need to go back and read through, please do that. If you have questions, you can message me through Seesaw, or you can ask your parents to call or text me. Okay, good luck. I miss you guys. Bye.